Oftentimes, we're faced with the challenge of transforming a complex object into a database record. In fact, that is not a big deal because most databases allow you to store data structures like arrays or nested objects. When it does become tricky is when you care about visualization as well, and this is exactly the case with the spreadsheet. Not only do you want to store an array in a spreadsheet cell, but you also want the record to be easily readable. Let's start with an example of a store inventory, which is a collection of goods where each item is a product identified by its name and quantity unit. More importantly though, each product comprises a set of specific items. For example, when we go to a supermarket, we don't just buy apples, we typically have to choose a certain kind. Same goes for mangoes, etc. Each product therefore has an array of items. Now, I want to store each product as a new row in a spreadsheet. Each field of the product schema will be mapped into a cell in the spreadsheet. This is easy to do for primitive types such as product name or quantity unit. But how about the array of items? Well, the first step is to convert the array into a comma-separated string. The array map function does precisely that. Next, I need to replace the comma separators with new line characters. I can use a spreadsheet function called substitute. Here is how it works. Finally, I can plug this function directly into my script. Once I run the transformation, the result is exactly as expected. Thanks for watching this quick tip on Make and Google Sheets.